Hey everyone, welcome to Femica. We hope you are doing great. Today's video is going to be very interesting and exciting, but it's also a bit scary for me because we don't know what makeup look I'm going to do, as it's an unseen challenge for me. Today we're gonna let Pinterest decide a makeup look. Let's see what it's gonna be. As you guys can see, मैंने Pinterest खोल लिया और search bar में मैंने सिर्फ makeup look डाला है. Let's scroll. I'm gonna look down so that you guys don't think I'm cheating. So let's start. I'm gonna stop randomly. मेरे को नहीं पता क्या choose करेंगे. I'm scared. Okay, let's just stop here. Ooh, it's natural. It's very natural, but this will go with whatever outfit I'm wearing. It's pink, it's smudged brown liner, a nude glossy lip. Not even glossy, it's I think cream. Yes, and a foxy brows. Lots of blush. That's what I can see. I will insert a picture over here. And okay, this is easy. I was actually expecting थोड़ा tough, to be honest. And I was like, क्या आ जाएगा इतनी खतरनाक look. Just for fun, let's see इसके आगे पीछे क्या makeup look था. इसके पीछे काफी soft makeup look था. Actually काफी similar है उससे. So it's okay. मतलब ये वाला उससे तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है. This one is exciting. जिसके next वाला था green eyeshadow, golden in between, a peach nude glossy lip. This one is interesting. This is like super foxy brows and a ponytail. ये वाला काफी अच्छा था. But I feel like ना winters में मेरा मन बहुत soft nude makeup look करने का ही होता है. And this is exactly what I wanted. So let's start recreating it. First I'm gonna apply the concealer to give my eyeshadow a base. Then taking the soft pink eyeshadow, I'm going to start with the crease. I'm going to take the brown eyeshadow and create a smudge liner with that. I have smudged the kajal and now I'm ready for the third step, that is to apply highlighter on the lid. Between the smudge liner and the crease, there is a lid space where we are going to apply the highlighter. Now I'm applying a single coat of mascara because उस makeup look में भी lashes तो लगी ही नहीं है और जो mascara लगा है वो बहुत कम quantity में लगा है. It's not looking clumsy, it's looking very natural. So just one coat of mascara is enough. Without wasting time, let's start with the base. अभी ना lower lash line में color लगाना बचा है. That is the pink eyeshadow, same pink eyeshadow. But हम वो सबसे last में करेंगे. अभी base start करते हैं. क्योंकि ये मेकअप लुक मुझे काफी ग्लोई लग रहा है, I'm gonna use a dewy primer today. This will just add a right amount of glow. Look at that healthy glow. Okay, so now the next step is to hide those dark circles. I have pretty intense dark circles which we need to hide, and for that I'm going to use a darker shade concealer. You can also use an orange corrector, but I feel like इसमें orange corrector की need नहीं है. So I'm going to use a dark corrector जो आराम से आपके सारे dark circles वगैरह hide कर देगा. To blend the color corrector, I'm going to use a brush. Once I've blended the color corrector, I am going ahead with the foundation and I'm going to blend everything with a beauty blender. Look at that flawless base. I am loving how this makeup look is turning. Let's set this face and move to my favorite step, that is blush. I'm using a loose powder to set my face. For blush, I'm going to mix the peach and the coral shade. So now the blush is done, let's complete the eyes. Using the same eyeshadow brush which I was using to do my crease, I'm going to take the same color, I'm going to apply it on the bottom lid. Now once that is done, I'm going to apply the mascara. Last two steps of the makeup look is the highlighter and a lip gloss. When I see at the picture, I feel like इसमें definitely gold highlighter नहीं use करा गया है, ना ही ऐसा pop pink, मतलब जो pink highlighter होता है definitely वो भी नहीं use किया गया. It's more like a peach and a champagne highlighter. So that's what I'm going to use. And for the lips, it's either a clear gloss with lots of highlighter on the cupid bow, or it's just a very creamy lipstick. I think it's definitely a gloss. So let's quickly complete this makeup look. A glossy lip. I just said कि 2 steps बचे हैं, that's it. But अभी आईब्रो भी तो बची है. आईब्रो में उसने इतना कुछ भी नहीं करा. आगे से फॉक्सी और नीचे से एंगुलर है. So we are gonna do the same thing. What do you guys think? Did I pass or fail in this Pinterest recreation makeup look? What do you guys think? So guys, here we come at the end of this video. We hope you liked it. For clean, safe and natural beauty products, shop at Femica. Do check out the description box for the product links. Join the community and welcome yourself in the world of clean, safe and natural beauty by connecting with the social media platforms. Let me know in the comment section, do you guys like my makeup look or not? That's it. Chalo, signing off with lots of love. Milte hain next video mein. Take care. Bye bye.
So guys, here's the end. Hope you liked the video. Visit Femica.com now. Check out all clean and safe products and dive into the world of clean beauty. Thanks for watching the video.